From this video, you will learn how to make $12,000 to $18,000 completely passive income using my artificial intelligence software and 3 to 5 minutes of your time. The software name is Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is an artificial intelligence software and it will do everything for you. So let's talk about money first. Look at this video on YouTube. This video is nothing but image, story, voiceover and text. 5 minutes video that you can make using Epic within 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Epic will do everything for you, and this video has got 6.43 million views, and from these views they have made apparently $12,000 to $18,000 complete passive income from YouTube AdSense. How cool is that? Now we use Epic from our all other 20 plus channels and we make $5 from every visitor. So this is just a screenshot of 2 of our promotions where 12,000 visitors paid us $5 each. I mean more than $5, and we made $64,000. This list can go on and I can show you multiple of my accounts. But before that, let me tell you how Epic works. Epic makes any kind of videos using image, links and texts. It turns texts into natural sounding voiceover. So you might be asking, Mosh, where is the text coming from? That text is coming from artificial intelligence, which is built inside Epic. Sounds cool? So it takes 3 to 5 minutes of your time to make this kind of video and publish on YouTube. Epic is free, link is in the description, go grab it. I will also show you in details how Epic works in the later part of the video. But before that, let me show you customers. So this video is about motivation. Over 7.1 million people search for motivation and motivational quotes, motivational stories, motivational music on YouTube every single month. All these 7 million people are customers. So what do they buy? They buy stories. They buy speech by authorities. They buy music with their times. And when they pay attention and use their time, your videos generate income from AdSense. Okay, before I show you more income, more customers, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only way we can do that is with your help. All we want from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, email contacts, everyone you know. They will love you for sharing good information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how to make money online. We make money by sharing good information with others, and we have a 7-figure per year online company. You can do this too. Any beginner can do this. Without technical knowledge, without experience, without website, without hosting server, without mailing list, without social following. So go ahead, like this video and share this video with everyone you know. Moving on, we have done the research for you. Motivation and self-confidence is a huge industry where people want to listen to stories. Just look at this. Motivation, 200,000 people search on the internet every single month. Motivational quotes, 823,000. Motivation Monday, 90,500. Motivation quotes for work, 74,000. All these people are looking for videos. Simple steps. Grab Epic from the link in the description. Then make 1 minute long short video. Look at this video. Thousands of views. These are all 1 minute long motivational videos. You can make these videos using Epic in just 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Why short videos? Because they're easy to make and they are a new feature on YouTube. YouTube is trying their best to promote short videos in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So short videos and short video creators are getting immense views and traffic and customers organically for free from YouTube. Plus, you can use the same videos on TikTok and Instagram channels to get more and more customers. So now what are you going to sell? First of all, the AdSense is passive income. But unfortunately, short videos will not generate passive income. So in order to make money, you can go to Udemy or Skillshare and learn about confidence and motivation type of courses that they are selling. Udemy has their own 103 million customers. 60% customers are already on Udemy, they are buying courses after courses, and 20% of the customers come from Google. 7% of the customers come from search engine. So if you make videos about confidence, motivation, etc., the courses that people are buying, first of all, publish them on YouTube and other video channels. And in your video, tell your viewers that they can get your free course. Note, free course on Udemy from the link in the description and from the link in the first comment. Publish your video bundle of videos as a course or courses to Udemy and give away for free. This is important, give away for free. Look at this. This course has 64,164 students. They paid $15.99. Hey Siri, how much is 64,164 times 15.99?
64,164 times 15.99 is 1,025,982.36.
$1,025,000 from one course. Go to the course content section and expand all sections and you will know everything about what they are teaching. Make your videos around these topics, publish them on YouTube, get free customers, send your customers to your free course. Now you must be asking, why free course? If it is a free course, how will I make money? Well, here is the trick. Udemy is a competitive place. There are thousands of course creators. New course creators don't have ratings and feedbacks from their student. In your course, ask your customers and in fact follow up with them to give you a higher rating and positive feedback. When this will continue, Udemy and Google will take notice about the sales and engagements in your course and they will start sending customers and students. This is the point where you start charging money to give access to your course. And then the snowball will keep rolling, you will make more and more money and within very short time, you will make thousands of dollars. At the same time, you will be making money from AdSense. And if you put any other affiliate links on your videos, just like this video, look at all these links here. They are either some kind of payment link or some kind of promotional link. This is exactly how we make money and thousands of other people make money. Okay, here is another bonus method of making money. You might have seen a speech-to-text software is generating text from my speech automatically somewhere at the bottom of this video. This software is free for you. Get this software and offer speech-to-text or transcription service on Fiverr. Look at this Fiverr gig. They made $365,050 at the time of making this video. They charge $10 for 10 minutes of work. You can do that too. And once you start your Fiverr campaigns and start making money, record the process in the form of video using Epic. Link is in the description. And then upload your bundle of videos in the form of course on Udemy again. Udemy will send you customers. And look at this. This person has made $371,182 from selling Fiverr Freelancing 2022 from Udemy alone. And you can do it too. It's an easy $700,000 from 2 free softwares. Both of them are in the link in the descriptions. Go grab them, start making all the money. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then Play with the size, shape, and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section, and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend, and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Plus, we give away our softwares for free. But we want something from you. We want a like and a share to everyone you know. This way, you can help us reach 100 million people and help them learn how to make money online. And your friends and family will love you more for sharing this awesome information. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually, they will become your first customers and clients. So go ahead, hit like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. And we will see you in the next video.